I'm Sniti, your French educator, and in this part of the video, we are going to do the lesson 0, which is Vous connaissez la France, and in this, we are going to understand its images. So, let us start with the video with no further ado. Here we have, let us look at some of the well known attractions of France. L'Arc de Triomphe de l'Étoile is the first one. It is on the Champs-Élysées à Paris, which is in the top of a place named Champs-Élysées in Paris. The second one is La Cathédrale de Notre Dame, which is basically a church. It is in the city, also called L'Île de la Cite. It is a place in Paris. Now the third one we have as La Tour Eiffel. You all have heard about it, you all know it, and it is in a Parc du Champ de Mars à Paris, which is in Paris. The Musée du Louvre is in the center of Paris, also called au Centre de Paris. Then we next have Les Arenas d'Arles, which is a Roman amphitheater. It is situated in the south of France, which is Amphitheatre Roma or Sir de la France à Arles. Now the last one of this page we have as Le Château de Versailles. It is situated at Versailles, Près de Paris, which is in Versailles near Paris. Près means near. Now going to the next page, here we have some of the common and famous fashion brands, some famous cheese and the currency of France and many other things. So the first one we have is Christian Dior. Next image is of Yves Saint Laurent. Now as I've told you earlier as well, don't get confused in Yeves, which is Yves. It should not be pronounced as Yves, as Y is standing in front of there. Now going to the next image, it is of Le Gruyere. It is a cheese, and Le Camembert is also a cheese. Now here Le Lujo, which is the euro, and it is the currency of France. Now next we have Le Drapeau Français, which is the French flag. Then coming to the last image, which is the 14 Juillet. Now as you all know that it is the Republic Day, and so the French people are having their parade as we do have in India. Now going to the lesson question answers. As you know, I've told you earlier so many times that I have another playlist in which I have written all of these and explained it to you. There are also some basic tips and tricks that will help you a lot. So that was all for this video, and the lesson number 0 is all done. Bye bye and have a nice day. But before going, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.